Alright guys, we're hiking up this road here, and our friend Matt saw this sinkhole, and I mean this is what we're out here looking for, is caves. So we're gonna go poke this thing, see if it goes. Looks like the water all drains down into this thing. Dude, this thing goes. Like, look, I'm about to drop a stick. It's like 20 feet deep at least. So I got this GoPro actually on a hose right now, and we're gonna send it down there. The hose has got a wicked curve to it. Oh my god! Dude! This is the cave. This is the cave we've been looking for. Mega cave. Mega cave. Action adventure cave. Dude, I know. I haven't hit the bottom yet. I see it dangling. Okay, I've hit the bottom. If I drop it now, let me get a good rotated view here. Sideways this time. Oh, dude, there's a passage down there. This thing looks massive. I can't tell what I'm looking at, but it looks like it looks like it goes in every direction. Dude, it probably connects to a lot. This thing looks huge. Check it out, guys. It's the next morning, and we're heading back with a ladder to go drop it down in that sinkhole, see if it goes somewhere. It's been like an hour-long hike. Now we're all going down the ladder. This is the established method at this point. All right, I got the bear claw. Dude, the leaves are just disappearing. I know, right? This is a false floor I'm on. That's into it. Dude, this thing's looking way too deep for this ladder. Way too deep. We're gonna have to make a rope ladder. Yeah, I think so. Half rope ladder, half
Well, you could almost tie the rope ladder off to the edge.
And then... Okay, we need a rope.
Alright, I got the rope right here.
Good old square nut.
Double granny knot.
Double overhand granny square. Oh, we hit the bottom.
Okay, bottomed out.
It's not that bad, guys.
It's gonna be a mostly Ladder.
But how do we get down to the ladder is the question.
How far down did you drop the rope? Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, I think someone needs to tie this to the tree up there. Dude, I think this is it. This is the setup. All right, I'm on the ladder. It's feeling a little rickety, not gonna lie.
You can always reposition the ladder once you're down there.
Yeah. Dude, this is crazy. The first one down here. Whoa. Guys, the ladder's working. It's working. It's a little sketchy. Oh, let me turn my lights up. Whoa. Oh, okay. It's a little sketchy. We don't have it positioned. Uh-oh.
You did?
Oh. I'm hanging on for dear life over here. I think I'm about to abandon the ladder and try and climb down the wall.
Oh, God. You abandoned the ladder. Climb down the wall.
It's a little bit of a half and half. Whoa! Guys, it goes. You gotta get down here. All right, the ladder is good now.
Okay.
Aha!
Whoa!
It's crazy.
This is the first one in here. This is the first time I've ever been in a completely virgin cave.
I know.
So shaky.
I know, right? This ladder just did its job.
Okay, off rope or ladder. Off ladder. Yeah, I guess we should look for footprints while we're here, huh?
Well, nobody's been down here, I don't think.
I don't think so.
You're good. Yeah. What was that? That sounded like a big one. Oh yeah, that's the worst part.
Woo, he's in the hole. Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah. Dude, look at the passage. Yeah. All right, off ladder.
Matt, give me that fist bump. Come on. Come on. Give me a freaking hard bump. Yeah, it goes both ways.
It do go.
Oh my lord.
I mean, yeah, that's 30 feet in each direction. Straight up.
Oh, more than that.
That is double the length
Dude,
of what
it's-
needs to be technically a cave.
Just coming down, that's technically okay.
Yeah.
That's that's at least 45 feet, if not more, between that point and that point of the rock.
We gotta think about naming it now.
Yeah.
The action adventure.
Cave. Yep.
The name just writes itself.
Yep, it's
You know what'd
done.
be crazy?
It has to be the first
because
one.
then they have to print it. And you can be like, hey, we're legit. We named a cave.
They
Right?
would
Yeah.
see it, man.
We're part of the process. Look at shells are down here. Look at this shit. Snails.
Oh, snails.
Tons of them.
Oh, that's just a walnut. Mm-hmm. What's it looking like, boys?
It's looking
Oh, it's a passage.
that whole section.
This is pretty
Little
cool. Like,
geode right here.
this is like the chill room, you know?
So now you know off your GoPro that hole we saw was over 6 feet.
Oh yeah, that was a
Yeah.
big passage.
That's
That was a 10-foot passage.
Check this out, guys. Keep going.
where does that go?
Oh gosh, it's a crawl, guys.
It's a crawl.
Yeah.
We knew we were in for it.
We did know we were in for it. Oh no. Dude, what is going on here? There's thousands of black walnuts in here.
Was that a walnut tree?
Dude, I don't. There's just thousands of them. No, it's closing in.
Oh no.
It collapsed this way. Let me put the GoPro up over the hill. It's like a mini tiny breakdown hill. Dude, that is hilarious. Matt noticed that this root comes all the way down the tunnel and then taps right in where there'd be a big pool of water.
There's so many angles to look at everything. So what? That's the coolest thing ever.
Davis is over here making a LiDAR of the Action Adventure Cave. Real-time 3D map.
Trying to. Takes its time though.
Oh, dude, move it around. No way. That is so crazy.
Yeah, see the other sinkhole right above it?
See, like, now place the tree. Place the tree like it should be. So right there, just now zoom out. You can totally see where the cliff is. Dude, it's a cliff.
Yeah, the cliff is right going down right here.
Yeah,
So we were headed straight into it.
yeah,
The road goes this way.
yeah.
Yeah.
You could even LiDAR the cliff.
See, like there's the road. It's going.
You could LiDAR the road and cliff.
Yeah, but then you won't see the cave under it as
You
easy.
won't see it under it.
I think this is perfect.
It's more than perfect. It's ridiculously awesome.
Yeah, it is. That's sweet,
I
man.
can't even believe you got all that.
I'll send you it so you can look at the 3D model.
Please.
So let's go to the other side of the cave. We haven't gone to this side yet.
While you're vaping that thing.
Gotta be something over here.
Does not look like it goes down.
Oh.
No action. What's he got over here?
Not looking good.
Oh no. It's not looking good.
Nah, it's closed off in every way.
You don't think it goes to the right there? There's so many crickets.
Crick hoppers.
Oh no. Looks like it pinches out.
No.
It doesn't go, guys?
Oh no, it can't peter out this soon.
Fortunately, it did.
Oh wait, there's a bat here?
Yeah, there is a bat.
He's gonna hiss at you again.
Nah, he's sleeping.
For sure.
It's still a cave.
Still a cave.
So, you want it? Do you think you're gonna name it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Action Adventure Cave.
Damn, we're gonna have to go to that blowing hole.
Blowing hole.
Go to the blowing hole and dig it out.
Was there no other places to go?
Up there, but no.
Up there
it
is
looks-
pretty dead.
Up on the top. Have you gone up there?
No, nobody's gone up there. We got it!
Alright, we're gonna go over here with a shovel. Try and dig this place out. It's gotta go somewhere. Scraping, scraping, scraping. Alright, James is digging at it now.
How's it going, guys?
It's going, man.
No way.
I mean, we got a couple feet out, maybe 2 feet. You want to grab this GoPro in? Try to get the GoPro in there? Yeah. Yeah? I got this GoPro on a stick. Okay. All right, guys, the GoPro was not promising when we stuck it back there. So we are giving up in this place and we're gonna go try and dig out some other place. But hey, this is really cool. Yep. All right, guys, made it out of that cave. Pretty sick. Definitely gonna be the action adventure cave. James and Davis are going to get the rope, and we're about halfway back to the house. And go check out Davis's channel. It's Cave Chronicles. I'm gonna put a link down in the description. And we'll see you guys on the next adventure.